How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 24, wall unit, one door. Let's start. Duplicate base unit one door from our previous tutorial. Copy, paste, and rename the file wall unit one door. Okay, open the file, go to 3D, delete the backsplash, delete the base, go to reference level, delete this reference plane for the backsplash, delete this reference plane for the base offset, go to front elevation, delete this reference plane, delete this reference plane, then go to family types, delete the base on off, we don't need this, delete the backsplash on off, then delete the backsplash height, delete the backsplash thickness, countertop height, delete. Okay, then base height, change the value to 1450 millimeter, and the shelf depth, change it to 300 millimeter. Okay, then the depth, change it to 350 millimeter. Then the counter thickness, go to edit, rename the parameter to top trim height. Okay, then the countertop, edit parameter, rename to top trim on off. Okay, next, rename the type to wall unit or WU1D, change the D to 35 and the height to 72, which is the module height. Okay, apply. Okay, next, select align, select this reference plane, select the edge of the door and lock. Okay, go to 3D, zoom to fit, then load the door panel plane 2 from our previous tutorial. Okay, open and load into the project, select wall unit one door. Okay, then go back to 3D view, select the door panel, go to properties and select the door panel plane 2. Okay, select the door, edit type, map the parameter. For the door finish, select the door finish. Pull handle finish, select the pull handle finish. Okay, next, go to family types. Let's try to change the width to 800. Okay, back to 600. Depth, let's try 500 millimeter. Okay, back to 350. Okay, then go to reference level or select, then select the view range. Let's change the cut plane value to 1600. Okay, then double click the reference level. Now let's create a symbolic lines for the wall unit. Okay, select the module, go to edit, uncheck plan. Okay, so it will not show up on the plan. Let's go to 3D view, select the wireframe. Okay, select these two shelves, edit, uncheck plan. Okay, select the single shelf, uncheck plan. Okay, select the top trim, edit, uncheck plan. Okay, select the module, edit. Okay, back to realistic, zoom to fit, then go to reference level. Now let's create this symbolic line. Go to annotate, select symbolic line, subcategory, select the hidden lines. Okay, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle. Okay, align, select this reference plane, select this line and lock. Select this reference plane, select the line, lock. Select this reference plane, select the line, lock. Select this reference plane, select this line, lock. Okay, annotate, symbolic line, select the line. Let's draw a two vertical line, one here and one here. Okay, and one horizontal line. Okay, next select align, select this reference plane, select the blue dot, lock. Select this reference plane, select the blue dot, lock. Okay, select this reference plane, select the line, lock. Okay, select this reference plane, select the blue dot, lock. Select the reference plane, select the blue dot, lock. Okay, select the blue dot, lock. Select the reference plane, select the blue dot, lock. Okay, cancel. Select the reference plane, select the line, lock. Select the reference plane, select the line, lock. Okay, one more, annotate, symbolic line, select line, draw a line, then align, select this reference plane, select the blue dot, lock. Okay, select reference plane, select this line and lock. Okay, complete. Go back to 3D view, then save the family, load into our sample project. Okay, pick, select the unit, spacebar to rotate. Then let's go to reference level 1. Okay, let's align the wall unit. Select align, go to modify, select the center of the base unit. Okay, select the center of the wall unit, select this edge or surface, select the back wall of the wall unit. Okay, select the wall unit. Let's turn off the top trim. We don't have a top trim. Okay, uncheck, then select again the wall unit. Let's make a copy or mirror. Select the side surface. Okay, now let's align. Okay, select side surface somewhere here. Tab to select. Then select the side surface. Okay, select the unit, mirror, select again, mirror. Okay, let's check the level 1. Okay, we have the wall unit. Go back to 3D. Done. Thank you.